What if I get it wrong?
The Prime Minister questioning his maths today. But what he doesn't want to get wrong is the reopening of schools next week.
What is the name of the house that the bad guy is in? Yes.
Is it Slytherin? Yeah.
Slytherin, that's right. Jonathan, we know some people in Slytherin, don't we?
You do indeed.
We
yeah.
do.
Be under no illusion, this is the first test of the government's roadmap out of lockdown.
The students then obviously have to self-administer this, so they pop this in their own mouth.
At Winton Community Academy in Andover, they're ready for the return of pupils. So ready, they'll start testing them this week, meaning everyone can start on Monday.
How confident are your staff feeling about coming back?
Very confident. So we carry out weekly surveys with all the staff and all the parents, and they are saying they are feeling incredibly confident about returning to work. And parents are very confident too that the students are going to return to a safe environment.
New research confirms schools are as safe as they can be, with teachers having no higher risk of infection than other working adults.
The decision to return to full attendance is based on a balance of risk, protecting our NHS while protecting students from the harms of missing education. Our decision is evidence-based.
The evidence can't rule out a rise in infections when schools return, but it suggests this may be minimal.
Bringing children back into schools does bring risk. But this is mitigated by the measures schools have in place. One-way systems, front-facing classrooms, all helping reduce the risk to staff and students.
Most parents are glad to see school start and homeschooling end.
The youngest one, he's not learning as much because he just doesn't have the concentration span at home, and they're missing out on their social skills.
Quite like it to go back at school just so I can meet my friends again instead of always being on video calls.
I'm more worried about me catching it than anybody else catching it. I don't want to catch it from other parents, or if somebody's there and they don't know they've got it, and because I'm a very vulnerable person and I don't want to be seriously ill.
Everyone agrees it's vital children are back in school, but behind the scenes their return will be closely monitored. Laura Bundock, Sky News, Andover.